Hello,
Hello,
my friend. How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay.
Today we will go to our
Workshop. Yes. Okay. Each and everything will be the same type and same quality. You can see this how is big the case. Okay. So it will be very sustainable for the machines
Yes.
when you
Very
use the
stable.
quality material, the printing quality, the output quality will be very fine. You can see this how they are doing the welding and everything. Let's go to the unwinder section. We have two size of sheeter. One is 1400, one is 1700. This is the bigger sheeter unwinder. This is the medium size sheeter unwinder. Okay, you can see the hydraulic parts.
Yes.
Yes, this is for hydraulic to control the unwinder. Okay, everything is a branded one, the quality one. That is our strength in the market. Check how many pieces are ready for assembling. Okay, in a copier machine, we use up to 5 unwinders. In a sheeter machine, 2 unwinders, like that. So this is the very big process according to the other machinery process. Then we will go to our workshop B.
Yes.
Okay? Yes, building B. So you will understand. Yes, sir. You can go and see the building B, how it sits. The building B only machining, okay, milling, shaping, and drilling, tapping, everything.
Assembly.
Yes, you can see these cylinders, okay, frames, and everything is doing in our machine in-house. Example, you can see the frame of the base frame for the sheeter machine. See the finishing. See the finishing, how the finish is there. This is done by ourselves inside our in-house. So quality wise, each and every piece will be 100% checked by our quality team. So in that one, the quality matters. CHM means creating high quality machines.
Yes, high quality.
Yes. So our quality team will automatically ensure that each and every product is going out from our factory is 100% quality oriented. Okay? Then you can see how they are drilling and tapping everything. Yes. This is our knife, rotary knife shaft. This is for single cutter. This is a semi-finished one. When they finish, I will show you the next one. After finishing, how this will become to the machine area. Come there. I will show you. This is the raw one. You can see the other one for the finished one. Okay? This one they will finish according to that size what we record. You can see the smoothness of the finishing.
Yes.
Okay? This we are doing in-house. So after sales service also for the customer, we can render any type of variety of services to him. Our customer will not be in trouble in future. Okay? That is the main point. Next we will go to, you see, that, yes, we will go to building A. In the building A, before that I'll show you this one, how the smooth finishing. You can see the finish, all the 4 sides. Yes, this is the strength of our factory. Okay, the finishing with the under zero tolerance. When we are doing the quality check, there is no error. It has to be zero tolerance. Okay. Then we are
building A.
building A is for assembly section and the production testing area. You can see this side. This side is for CHM A4 copier paper. This side,
5 rows.
yes, this is for copier paper special section assembly. This side for sheeter machine assembly.
Yes.
Sheeter machine assembly 1400, 1700 like that. They will start from the frame. Let me show you how they are assembling. Now we are going to SHM sheeter assembling area. I will tell you from the beginning, from the number one, how the frame is assembling, how they are doing the transport belt pasting and the synchronized cutter as a joining, feeder, delivery and everything. Let's go from the beginning. Okay?
Okay.
Come. You can see from here. This is the frame. One by one unit it will come. They will assemble it here. After framing assembly, they will do the transport belt, the transport section joining. You can see two different. This is nothing inside. This is nothing inside. Here they are started to assembling something with the gears and parts, rollers, cylinders, everything. Okay, from there, when you are going after that, they will do electrical and electronics fitting. Okay, I will show you here example. Okay, this is, you can see the PLC drives and everything they are assembling here. Okay, for each and everything they written in English also for managing this one. You can check this schematic Siemens PLC only we are using. Okay,
Okay.
this is a quality product in the market. So anywhere you can get this type of product. Okay, in case of any emergency, okay, there is no OEM product in the machine. So it's easy to manage the machine after buying the machine from us. The customer can enjoy the easily
Yes.
their product. Okay.
The manipulator is easy. It's very easy.
Yes, maintenance will be very easy. Okay, they can do the maintenance by their in-house engineers. They no need to worry about going for a big brand. Okay, they should not wait for, okay, from China they have to bring the parts, so the machine will stop. Not like that. Okay, immediately it will be available in the local market. That product only we are using in the
Yes.
branded product in the panel. Okay, this is the assembly section. After assembling, you can see the full entire machine like this. From the feeder, they are just assembling the feeder frame. After that, rollers are ready. Then the machine is ready for inspection. After ready for inspection, the machine will move for production. After QC inspection of the machine material, it will move to production. You can see the production machine there. Okay, in this machine, they will use the paper as per customer demand, and they will test it, and they will make a video and then send to the customer. If the customer is happy, then only they will start packing. Yes, this is a finished product of SGT 1400. This is from the delivery. That side is feeder.
The button.
Yes, this is for emergency button. This everything, all the materials is used is a quality product. You can get it from anywhere in the market. You no need to stick, okay, only with the supplier only we can get, not like that. This is no OEM product in this machine.
In your country, can they buy these parts?
Yes,
Yes.
yes, locally we can arrange.
Okay.
That's why I'm cooperating with CHM for years. Thank you for the day. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Yes.